what is the meaning of coprime numbers, right? Coprime numbers, and in shortcut we can just call them as coprimes also. All right, coprimes and coprime numbers both are same. For example, already I have told you what is the meaning of prime number in the previous video, right? So what is the meaning of prime number? Prime number means it's a number whose factors are one and itself, right? So those are the prime numbers, and I have given you so many examples. If you haven't watched that video, watch that previous video and come to this video so that you get feel of this. All right, prime number means for example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, the list goes on, right? If you check all these numbers, these are the numbers which are having the factors 1 and itself. For example, 2 is divisible by 1 and 2 is divisible by 2 only. If you take 19 is divisible by 1 and it is divisible by 19 itself, right? 1 is, common thing. 1 should be there, that is there. Now, what is the meaning of coprimes? What is the meaning of coprimes? Coprime means these are pair of numbers, okay? Two numbers which have factor one only together. What is the meaning of this? For example, if I say for example 2 and 4, so what are the factors of this 2 and 4? 1 is a factor of 2 and 4 because 1 is going to divide this 2 and 4, and 2 is also there. 2 is going to divide 2 also and 4 also. That's why this 2 and 4 are not coprimes, because these are the two numbers which have factor 1 only. Factor should be 1 only. I mean to say, for example, 1 and 3 if I take. What is the factor of 1 and 3? Tell me. 1 is the only factor of 1 and 3. Are you understanding what I am trying to say? For example, if you take 21 and 23. Now 21 and 23, what are the factors, common factor of both this number 21 and 23? 1 only. Is there any other number other than 1 which is going to divide this 21 and 23 together? For example, 21 is divided by 3. 3 can divide this, I understand that. But 3, can it divide 23? No, right? 3 cannot divide it, no? 23. So that's why I hope you are understanding. Once again, I repeat, this 21 is divisible by 3. 3 can divide this 21. But can 3 divide this 23? No, this is not possible. So that's why 3 cannot be the factors together for these numbers, no? 21 and 23. So that's why this 21 and 23 becomes what? Coprimes. Okay, let me give you one more example. If I say 19 and 21, are they coprimes? Just check. See, 1 is the only common factor. No, highest common factor of any numbers. For example, A and B, if I am taking, highest common factor of those numbers is 1 means. So these A and B are there, no? So these A and B are said to be what? These are said to be coprimes. So coprime means, you can write one more definition. What is that? One simple definition you have written: two numbers which have factors 1 only together, that is there. And apart from that, you can write two numbers are said to be coprimes if their HCF means the highest common factor. So if it is 1, then only it is said to be coprime. I hope the meaning of coprime is very, very clear. Now let me give you some more examples. If I say 10 and 20, are they coprimes? No, they are not going to be coprimes. Why? Because 10 is divisible by 2 also, and 20 is divisible by 2 also, and 10 is divisible by 10 also, and 20 is also divisible by 10 also. Are you understanding my point? And 10 is divisible by 5 also, and 20 is also divisible by 5 also. Correct? So these are the factors. See, 2 and 2, 10 and 5. So these are the factors of these two numbers. Highest common factor. What is the highest common factor of 10 and 20? Tell me. What is the highest common factor of 10 and 20? So the answer is going to be 10. And how to find out this 10 and all, I have explained with the help of prime factorization method. Right? With the help of prime factorization method, already I have explained in the previous video how to find out the HCF. Alright, so 10 is the answer. So if I want to call two numbers as coprime, means the HCF should be 1. So that is the meaning of coprimes. All right, so why this coprimes is very important? Because there is a question to prove that root 2 is irrational. There will be a question in your exam. Prove that root 2 is irrational, right? Root 2 is irrational number or not? What is the meaning of irrational number? What is the characteristics of irrational number? What are rational numbers? How they can be represented and all? For that you need, I mean, to prove this you need help of coprimes. That's why I have explained the meaning of coprimes in this short video. All right, I hope let me give you some homework. Okay, tick the coprimes tick the coprimes from the following. Whatever coprimes are there, you tick them. Okay, if you got to know about this, then definitely you should be answering that. For example, 10 and 15, are they coprimes or not? 2 and 3, are they coprimes or not? 3 and 7, are they coprimes or not? And 15 and 19, are they coprimes or not? Then fifth one, 100 and for example, let us take 29, are they coprimes or not? Just tick. Okay, these I mean, if it is coprime, you tick it, otherwise you cross it. All right, so this is a homework, and you can comment in the comment section also. So whatever you want to say, if you're liking all these videos, just give it a thumbs up, like the video, and share this good work with all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because your subscription will give us a lot of motivation to create these kind of videos. Thank you very much. Have a good day, and bye bye.